Welcome back, guys, to another video. So yeah, I've been so inconsistent with my uploads and stuff, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm so used to doing these right now, it's actually mad. But yeah, I mean, let me roll the cinematics and see where we go.
Nowadays, nothing really is ice. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos.
So yeah, here we are. It's my 56 plate, but they reg for 07. But here's our 56 plate 335I SE. No, it's not an M Sport, guys. Firstly, for the price that I had, I didn't really care about getting an M Sport because I'm going to change some of the stuff on it already. But I'll just walk you through from the specs of what's actually wrong with this car, because there's quite a bit wrong with it already, and I've literally only had it for 2 days. That's what here is. This is all previous repair, so guys from my work, I'm trained to see this sort of stuff, but could have had the previous owner could have had a possible incident there. The bumper's misaligned a little bit. On this side, he hasn't had that repaired. It's just that the people who did this is a terrible job. So on the insides, obviously we've got the iDrive system. That was a must for me. I had to add that. Like, it's something that if I was going to get this out, that's the only thing I could have. SE steering wheel, nothing too special. Got the flappy paddles here. This is like the weirdest design, by the way. Like, that is down, this is up. It's really weird. I don't know if it's ZF, but 6-speed automatic gearbox. These actually rated for 800 Newton meters, so there's not much that I can really complain. Obviously, start, stop button, menu scroll stuff here, cup holders. This is actually my first German, guys, so first German vehicle ever, first me owning on the channel as well, ever. The automatic climate control, we've got the seat belt things where they come out. The seats are the half leather, half mesh, so I don't mind it too much because leather in the winter now it's getting a bit cold, so the mesh is actually quite good. But yeah, auto gearbox. There's not much really to say about it. Things I can say is that, yeah, guys, like, obviously I know some of you are going to be like, what, the Jap fanatic, and a lot of people who, actually not a lot, like there's very rare people who know that I've got this car yet, but a lot of people, the people that have seen this car, have all thought, why did you go German? And I mean, look, guys, like the amount of cars that I drive that are German on the channel, out of 50 videos, I'm sure like 35 of those, or actually 40 of those have been German cars. Now, I'm not saying that I'm following the crowd, but what I am is a very big numbers guy. Like, very big. And these cars, like, out of the box, is one of the best packages that you can get out of the box. Let me show you. These come with 306 or 302 or 306 bhp, and 300 torque with twin turbo. So it's a twin turbo N54. It's quite well known in tuner society because they're highly tunable. Stage 1, you get about 400 brake. We've got a BMC. This is actually a completely stock example apart from this. Got a BMC panel filter in, but that's not really going to do anything. So I would have taken it down to, by now, Endless Works. I'm filming everything a bit weirdly, but I took it down to Endless Works. Mess it there. He read the on ISA or ISA, forgot. He read the codes. Got a low fuel pressure. Like, my fuel pump has a low pressure fault, and so does my turbo. Well, both of them. So yeah, but after we cleared the codes, cross fingers, they're all good. But yeah, out of the box, these cars, real drive, 6-speed auto gearbox with the twin turbo engine. This car is, like, out of the box, one of the best cars you can buy for the money. Now, I actually picked this car up for 4 grand, which is absolutely crazy. Yes, guys, the Lancer Radiator is gone. It is gone. But to be honest, like, I've only been driving this for about 2 days now, and the fun that I've had in this car, fam, like, it's mad. I'm gonna insert a clip probably right now. Third gear. No code. Bro. 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 Nah. Nah, bro. This car is off. This car is off, fam. Are you mad? Oh, I'm slipping. Oh my god. Woo. Woo. Oh my god. We got up to them quick, innit? So I just want to do a quick walk around of the car, guys. Obviously you can see I'm in the interior now. It's getting a little bit not busy, but there's people coming into the car park. And frankly, if any of you do YouTube, actually do like holding the camera up in front of your face in like a really not busy, but like kind of semi-busy. Like there's a guy out there playing with his dog in the car park. Like, what are you doing, bro? Of specs in this car, which I'm sorry guys if you're coming here for an informational video about BMWs and N54s. I'm not an expert yet. Like you know me, I love all cars. I have no anything against cars except Fords. No, I'm joking. Luke will love that one when he's watching. No, I love all cars, honestly. And for me to say like I don't like German cars is unfair if I've never actually owned one. So look, and as like Cruzy knows as well, these people are saying they're all my friends, all my boys. We took it out for a spin today, and oh my word, this car shocked me. Yesterday I didn't get to do that because of those fault codes. It was stopping it. But yeah, literally the pulls that I had today, mad thing. Myself, I know some of you are gonna get onto me and some of the trolls. I know a lot of you film for the rally out content, but look, the thing is I do have there's still going to be kind of rally out content because I have a friend who still has a rally out, so obviously I'll still go in between there and check out his build and stuff, because he was planning to do the same thing with mine. So there won't be rally out content absent on my days. This car does a lot of weird things, like the fans and stuff, they close and open. It's really scary. Yeah, there's so much more stuff coming to the channel, guys. What I did think about doing is I'm gonna do a first drive. I'm gonna do what all the big YouTubers do, big first drive video, and we'll go from there. But honestly, guys, like Mesut, he's a guy with a 700 bhp M140i. Obviously, I spoke to him today. We're gonna get him on the channel eventually. But yeah, this car, he thought it was mapped. That's how crazy it was. I was spinning in 4th gear, which maybe it's my tires, but like we were sending it in Mexico, and yeah, it was spinning. So yeah. But anyway, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Keep coming with the likes and shares. Now I know I've been really inconsistent. Obviously, I used to be super consistent with the videos and stuff like that, but I don't know, like, you see this, like, things are changing, do you know what I mean? And the MGKG channel, I'd say, is evolving. It's not changing, it's evolving. And there's stuff to be done, moves to be made, as people would say. But yeah, this car, I'm gonna do a mad thing with it. I believe at this point in time, now I might be wrong, but I'm the only YouTuber in the UK currently that actively has a 335i that I've seen on YouTube. There might be others, link them down below, because maybe we can collab and stuff and they can see to you some stuff. But apart from that, yeah, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.